At Addionics, we are transforming the future of batteries. Our smart 3D porous current collectors allow lower production costs, higher performance, while being a drop-in solution to any battery facility, battery chemistry, battery process, and format. We are working closely with leading customers, building the capacity required to meet growing demand. Together with Avery Dennison, we are shaping the next stage of our journey, with a clear focus on advanced manufacturing and global impact.
Avery Dennison has decades of experience in advanced materials and large-scale manufacturing. We know how to take innovative technologies and make them reliable, repeatable, and scalable. That's why this partnership with Addionics is so exciting. Together, we can combine their battery innovation with our expertise in industrial execution to deliver impact worldwide, and we are proud to support scaling it to market. This is more than an investment. It's a collaboration to accelerate production, expand impact, and create a shared future of sustainable energy.